1 and 2, you give a brief description and background of your employment. Can you tell us about that?
Commissioners, I've been employed at Gauteng Traffic Police for the past 35 years. In 2017, I was requested by the department to head up a crime unit in the department. They were called Saturation Unit, where we started assisting SAPs in several crime events, like trio crimes, as well as kidnappings and cash and transit robberies.
And what is your title?
My title is a Chief Provincial Inspector.
Okay. Now, you said that you were appointed in 2017 to head up the crime unit. Can you just tell us, you talk about assistance with crimes such as kidnapping, what would that assistance entail?
So the assistance will be, SAPs will need enforcement to take down suspects or to infiltrate houses. And this is where we came in to assist. So my unit assisted them with all those, as well as the trio crimes that I mentioned, Commissioners.